Need a tool for cleaning up 3D prints, engraving, or small projects? Check this out. Let's open the box. This is a cordless rotary tool kit, and it comes with 53 parts for sanding, polishing, drilling, engraving, and more. Let's open. You can use for design 3D prints. It's great for smoothing, roughing, edge, and cleaning up sport marks. Let me show you some real example. I have some key I want to polish all over here. Let's try. Okay, this has a 3 speed level. One of them is, look at here, 2000, 4000, and 7000. You can choose whatever you need. Look at, it's easy to use. Just this one, attach here. Look, there are many tools that which one is you need. Just attach here, okay, and choose the power, which power you want. Let's choose here and clean. Okay, and this is the cutting wood like that. Look, you can choose which power you want. This is how it's open. Touch this one, okay, then open. Remove this one. Pen is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making easier to control during the detailed work. You can look like that. It's lightweight. It's easy to control. It gives smoother operation and better control when you are working on fine details. The tools also completely cordless, which makes it easy to use anywhere. Look at, it's cordless. You can charge with USB-C, and its full charge goes 130 minutes runtime. If you are looking for 3D printing, model making, crafts, engraving, this is a great choice. Thank you for watching.